Hi, welcome to the 4Seller channel. This video will guide you on how to set up logistics rules to achieve automatic buy labels and automatic ship orders. Why setting logistics rules can help you. 4Seller support purchase Amazon MCF shipping label automatically. Match respective carrier and shipment service with orders of different logistics types from different platforms automatically. Match the same logistics provider to multiple platforms and stores automatically. Click on the Setting button and find the Automations button to add logistics rules. On the Logistics Rules page, you can complete the following operations. Customize the logistics rule name. Select the platform. Select the shop. You can select one or more or none. Remember that if you do not select a store, all stores on the platform will be selected by default. Select the order logistics type. Please note that self-delivery and platform delivery cannot be selected at the same time. Click Add Conditions. You can set the conditions like stock SKU, shop SKU, shop warehouse, shipping address, order amount, product dimensions, product's weight, product quantity. For example, you can choose stock SKU, so that only the SKU you set in here will apply for the rule. If you no longer need to set these additional conditions, you can simply click the Delete button next to them to remove them. Then you need to select warehouse. You can choose only one warehouse, choose carrier, choose shipment services. If you have multiple warehouse, you can choose Spicy Multiple Warehouse. If multiple warehouses are specified, the order will be shipped from the nearest warehouse based on the postal code of the assigned warehouse. Choose warehouse, postal code, carrier and shipment service based on the warehouse you select. You can choose to automatically purchase the labels. Choose whether to use the package template, add labels to your order, or add system notes. After completing the information filling, click Save. Additionally, you can also set the execution time for the logistics rules. Execute historical orders. Execute historical orders and execute lagging rules on orders that do not match the rules. Execute all orders. Apply the rule to all previous orders. Execute unmatched orders. Apply the rule to orders that do not match the logistics rules. If you choose to automatically buy labels, you also need to set the failure email notification here. In this way, if the automatic purchase form fails to be generated, 4Seller will notify you via email. Please remember that only when your order meets the conditions set by you can it be automatically adapted to this rule. If you set multiple rules, you can drag the small square under the priority list up and down to change the priority order of executing logistics rules. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller channel. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.